Queries with parameters are easy to set up, but the dialog box that Access gives you is very small and requires the user to know what data is being asked for. We can use combo boxes to select the option required from the list and then complete the query. So firstly, let's create a blank form and add a combo box to it for the student's country of origin. Name the combo box appropriately. Look carefully where this is done, with no spaces in the name so that it's easier to reference when we come to make your query. The box will say unbound in it after you have made it, and that is correct. In the Data tab, set the bound column to be 2, because the first column stores the country ID. Save the form for now as something like Country Selector, and we'll edit it again after we have made the query. Open a new query design from the Create tab. Add the student's name details and the UQFYID code from the students table and the country name from the country table. Add ascending order sorts to the name fields, name, family name first, then given name. In the criteria row of the country name field, right-click and choose Build. In the dialog box that appears, double-click on the plus sign next to Forms, then do the same with Loaded Forms, and then open the Country Selector form. In the next column, you'll see a list of objects in the form. Double-click the name of the combo box you created. It will appear in the workspace of the dialog box. Now close this. The criteria for the country name is now set to the value selected by the combo box. Save the query with a meaningful name. Open the Country Selector form again, and now we're going to add a button that runs the query we just created once we've selected the country we want. To edit the macro that's associated with the button and add another macro step, click on the button in the Design View, click on the Event tab, and then the ellipsis, the 3 dots at the right hand end of the On-Click row. Add a step after the one that already exists. Choose Close from the list of macro commands, Then choose Form, Country Selector and Prompt as the options at the bottom of the screen. This will close the Form Country Selector and ask if we want to save changes in it, but given there's nothing to save, it will just close. Choose the red X in the ribbon bar marked Close and click Yes to save changes to the macro you are editing. The final step in this process is to add a button to the navigation form which says it will run the query, but in fact really only opens up the country selector form. Once you've done that, save everything, return to form view in the navigation form and close all the other forms. Now start the combo box options process by clicking the appropriate button in the navigation form. Voila!